This is Pritika Modikari from Asian International School, and today we will be doing nouns based on number. A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one person or thing. For example, boy, girl, baby, photo, etc. Whereas a noun is said to be plural if it denotes more than one person or thing. For example, girls, boys, photos, etc. We will now learn the following rules to change a singular noun to plural. Rule number 1. For most nouns, we add s. Example, book, books, train, trains, horse, horses, flower, flowers, window, windows, boy, boys. Rule number 2. For nouns ending with a hissing sound, that is, words ending with ss, s, sh, ch, x, we add es to the word to change it into its plural form. For example, glass becomes glasses, glass, and then we added es. Similarly, class, classes, gas, gases, bus, buses, brush, brushes, bush, bushes, bench, benches, church, churches, fox, foxes, box, boxes. Now you will find in all the plural forms with the word we have added an es. Now we move on to point number 3. For most nouns ending in o, we add es. For example, buffalo becomes buffaloes. That is, we add the word es with the word buffalo. Mango becomes mangoes. Mosquito becomes mosquitoes. However, some nouns that ends in o form their plural in the normal way. That means we just add an s instead of adding es. For example, ratio, ratios. Here we just added the letter s. Logo, logos. Kilo, kilos. Memento, mementos. Bamboo, bamboos. Here you see that in the first 3 words we have used es, but in the next 5 words rather, we have just used an s to change the word into its plural form. Now point number 4. For most nouns ending in f and fe, we add ves. That means we remove f and fe and replace it with ves. Example, calf, calf. Here, when we are changing this word into its plural form, what we do is we remove the f. So cal, we remove the f, and instead of f what we put is ves. So cal, ves, calves. Similarly, knife becomes knives, life, lives, wolf, wolves, leaf, leaves. Here you can see that all the f and fe in these words have been replaced by ves. However, some words ending in f form their plural in normal way. That means we do not add ves. Instead of adding ves, what we do is we add an s to the word. For example, chief, chief. when we change this word into its plural form, what we do is instead of adding VES, we just add S. So chief becomes chiefs. Similarly, proof becomes proofs. Gulf becomes gulfs. Roof becomes roofs. Now, point number 5. Nouns ending in a consonant plus Y, we change the word from singular to plural by changing the Y into IES. For example, army, ARMY. Here M is the consonant followed by Y. In this case, what we do is we remove the Y and we add IES. So we see ARMIES. Here we removed the Y of the army and in place of the I, we added IES. Similarly, diary becomes diaries. Lady becomes ladies. Story becomes stories. Fly becomes flies. Country becomes countries. We see in all these words we have removed Y and we have replaced the Y with IES. Point number 6. Nouns ending in vowel plus Y, we add S to the word. For example, BOY, boy. Here, O is a vowel and which is followed by Y. This word, when we change from singular to plural, we just add an S. So, boy becomes boys. Ray, rays. Valley, valleys. Joy, joys. In all the word you will find that the Y is preceded by a vowel. Now, a few noun forms their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. That means few words are there where we change the vowels inside when we change the word from singular to its plural form. For example, foot becomes feet, tooth becomes teeth, mouse becomes mice. Now we move on to point number 7. In nouns consisting of several words, we add S to the main word. For example, commander-in-chief. Here, the main word is commander. So, when we are changing this word into its plural form, we will just add an S to the word commander. So, commander-in-chief becomes commanders-in-chief. Son-in-law becomes sons-in-law. Passer-by becomes passers-by. Maid-servant becomes maid-servants. Please note, nouns like deer, sheep, etc. have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural. For example, the wolf killed a sheep. The wolf killed several sheep. So, we see that the word sheep did not change. It remained the same for singular as well as in its plural form. Next, words like trousers, jeans, scissors suggest two essential parts. So, these words are always used in plural form. Example, my trousers are dirty. I bought a blue jeans. We do not say trouser or jean or scissor. We always say trousers, jeans, scissors, binoculars, etc. Third, words like cattle, people have singular appearance but used in plural. Now the last point, words like mathematics, news, innings have an appearance of a plural noun. That is, it has an S. But these are always used as a singular noun. With this, we end with the classification of nouns based on number. Please, children, stay at home and wash your hands frequently with soap or sanitizers. Thanks for watching this video.